Did you know your dog might be trying to tell you something important? Stay with me to learn the amazing secrets behind their behavior. Some dogs dream just like humans. Watch your dog twitch in their sleep. They're probably chasing a squirrel. Dogs often bark at mirrors because they think it's another dog. Hilarious, right? Ever seen your dog spin before lying down? It's an ancient behavior to make the ground more comfortable. Dogs tilt their heads to hear better and see our faces clearly. Cute and smart. Isn't that amazing? Like, share, and subscribe for more fun dog facts.